that's a no for me. All right, hey you guys. Been a while. I know you haven't heard from me in about a week or two or three. I have no idea. The van is still broke. I got the quote for repairs. It is going to cost a ridiculous amount of money. And hopefully here at the end of the month, this month, I will be able to get it fixed. I'll be heading back to South Carolina to a body shop to try and get everything fixed. Fingers crossed, knock on wood. Hopefully they can fix it, and hopefully I can get back on the road and get back to adventuring. But I've been staying put in my unofficial home base here at the Love's RV stop in Cordell, Georgia. Just staying still so that way I don't do any further damage to the van than what I've already done. But I should be heading out next week to get the van fixed, hopefully. So yeah, that's the update for right now. One of you guys reached out and asked what was going on, so yeah, I thought I'd make this video for everybody just to give you a quick update. I've been chilling. Even though it's snowing, I'm perfectly warm. I'm hooked up to power. I've got my little space heater, and if you can hear it in the background, the van's heater is also running as well. So I was perfectly warm when all this started. I'm definitely not going anywhere today or tomorrow because the roads are completely iced over here in Georgia. So yeah, if you are in Georgia, please, I really do hope you're safe and you're warm. And even if you're not in Georgia, I know it snowed elsewhere. If you're in one of those areas, stay warm, stay safe. And if you can avoid driving around, please avoid driving around, because yeah, it's crazy. My window is completely frozen over. The van is completely frozen over, but yeah, it's crazy. I was up all night just beating on the windows, knocking ice off of them. But yeah, that is the update. Van's busted. I'm staying put. And it snowed last night. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated since next week is my appointment. Really hoping I can get the van fixed and get back on the road. So I will see you guys hopefully soon. But yeah, all right. You guys take care. Stay warm, stay safe, and I will see you soon. Bye for now, y'all.